Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is written for beginner English learners. Ready? Let's get started. A2 English Story. Something new. My name is Olivia. I am 28 years old. I am small, with blonde hair and brown eyes. I wear glasses. I have one brother called Michael and a sister called Teresa. Michael lives in Australia. He went for a gap year and never came back. He has lots of hobbies. He likes to go surfing, running and swimming, and he likes to write stories. He has a very nice house. It has 4 bedrooms and a swimming pool. He lives with his wife and little girl, Emily. His wife, Felicity, is Australian. She is a nurse. They live near Sydney. I have been to visit them twice. I loved it. The weather was very hot. My little sister, Teresa, is a student. She wants to be a vet. She loves animals. Teresa still lives with my parents. They live near Manchester. My mum is a nurse and my dad is a truck driver. They have been married for 35 years. I am a primary school teacher. I teach children in their first year of school. They are very cute. I work very hard, but I enjoy it. I have been a teacher for 5 years. I want to move to Australia and work as a teacher there. I want to move in 2 years when I am 30. I am saving money for the flight and somewhere to live. I live in Bristol. It is a city in the southwest of England. It is a very nice place to live, but it is expensive. I have lots of friends and I am happy, but I want to live in a warm country. I wish Australia was closer to England. When I move there, I will miss my parents and Teresa very much. I am going to visit my brother and his family at Christmas. It will be weird to have Christmas in the sunshine. I am flying from London to Singapore. I will spend 2 nights in Singapore and then I will fly to Sydney. I will spend 2 weeks with my brother and then fly back in time for the new school term. Next year, I want to visit Australia for 4 weeks in the summer so I can decide where I want to live when I move there. In the UK, I have lived in Manchester, Cardiff, and Bristol. I like all 3 cities, but Cardiff is my favourite. I went to university in Cardiff. I had a lot of fun there. I wanted to stay in Cardiff, but I got a job in Bristol, so I moved. But it isn't too far away. I am happy that I am a teacher because now I can teach anywhere in the world. When I am not teaching, I like to go hiking and cycling. I am also learning French. I can also speak a little Spanish. I will be sad to leave the UK, but I am ready for something new. It will be scary, but worth it. And if I don't like living in Australia, I can always come back. Now let's go through some vocabulary from this story. Ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance is a special vehicle used to take sick or injured people to hospital. Blonde. Blonde. Blonde is pale yellow or golden hair. Decide. To decide. To decide is to choose something after thinking about it. Married. Married. To be married is to have a wife or a husband. Here's some more vocabulary. Move. To move. To move is to change position or place. Save. To save. To save is to keep something, usually money, for the future. Spend. To spend. To spend is to give money as a payment for something else. Term. Term. A term is one of the periods into which a year is divided at school, college, or university. Twice. Twice. Twice means 2 times. Gap year. Gap year. A gap year is a year, usually between finishing school and starting university or college, when you travel or work. Scary. Scary. If something is scary, then it is frightening. Truck. Truck. A truck is a large road vehicle used for carrying goods. Vet. Vet. A vet is a veterinary surgeon, and they are a person with a medical degree trained to take care of the health of animals, like animal doctors. Wish. To wish. To wish is to want something to happen, although it is unlikely. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Get productive and check out our language learning productivity packs on Etsy. Use code YouTube10 for 10% off. You can find the link in the description below. See you soon.